Hello friends, and I'm coming to you with unboxing. This time I've got the Adidas Ultraboost sneakers. I was curious of them and I decided to get them. So we came in this box. I've got them on Adidas page and they were on sale. So I've got model Adidas Ultraboost 19. Let's get them out. So they came in this box. Box looks like this. It's funny looking. It says Adidas here in front. Yellow, white, and here's some purple color. Model is this one. Adidas Ultraboost 19 woman. I've got them in size 9.5, which is my normal size. So ta-da! And I read reviews and many people say that they are very comfortable and they are great for running mainly, but also other sport activities like walking on walks, or maybe workout in the gym. So here we are. Here we are. Famous Adidas Ultraboost. Adidas Ultraboost. So the shoe looks like this. I wanted this color because I saw on some Instagrammer that she was wearing them and they looked so cute. So here we are. We have nice knit here. We have nice knit material on top and it's stretchable. As you can see, the tag looks like this. This material is stretchable, but it has two stripes, which is here and another one is here, and those stripes are less stretchable. Then it has also different fabric right here. I think it's coated or something, maybe not. One looks more hard. Actually, it's not coated. And here we have some cage, which is pink in those. Here it has pull with Adidas logo, and the back has this kind of stuff. I don't know how it's called. It's attached. Here it says Ultraboost, and I have those kind of laces which are not long enough. I mean, not long at all, but hope they will be enough long. And shaft upper textile, synthetic textile. It doesn't have any leather parts, only textile. But here it has nice, like, kind of sponges here. Foamy stuff that is more cushioning, so this part will be more comfortable, more than, for example, NMD. And then we have inside this thing. Inside it looks like this. Some people say that they look cheaply made, but I'm not sure about it. The insole is removable and it looks like this. It says Boost, and on the other side it looks like this. Thin one. But and then inside it looks like this. So yeah, I put the insert back to my shoe, so the knit material looks soft, but it's more hard than previous Ultraboost models, and this is also not too stiff. And when it comes to this part, it's squishy, but you can't squish it much with fingers, just a little bit, like this much. It's not too elastic, so it looks like this. Here it has Continental rubber, I think. Here it says Adidas. And here is some balance stuff. I don't know exactly what it is for, but and this model has more higher sole than previous one, and like 20% higher, which supposed to add some boost to your shoes. It's higher. So yeah, that sole is squishy. Other looks the same, this kind. I've got size, my regular size, which is 9.5, and I will try them on. So yeah, that's how they look, those Adidas shoes. Let me try them on. And they also look funny here, like they are. Here you have longer part, thicker, and here they are a little shorter. You can see it like this, and then so they have like this kind of bouncy design. Okay, I try them on. I would say they are easy to put on, and I put my regular size and it fit me. I could also get like half size smaller actually, but this part would be really tight. As you can see, it's tight over here. And you can also adjust this part and here. The way looks like this. And they are comfy actually. Yeah, I feel that soft boost. It's like going under your foot, so I feel it. wearing Nike Pro leggings, which are winter edition, because I have polar inside, and it says just do it, just do it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and see you in the next one. Bye.